Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Lucas, Texas, and we're going to be installing the all-new Klipsch RSM-800 all-weather outdoor speakers. All right, so we've got the all-new RSM-800s. These are the 8-inch outdoor speakers. All new IPX rating, more bass. These are actually about the same size as the old AW650s, which as you've been following our channel these years, we install a lot of them. They were previously some of our favorite outdoor speakers. Great value. They're large, but they put out some really good sound. So now in the same footprint, we've got the updated physical design, and with the new Hyperfold Port, they're able to make the 8-inch woofer fit into the same physical size cabinet as the old AW650 with the 6.5-inch woofer. So we're going to have more bass out of this thing and their new design. So we're going to go ahead and get these unboxed here and show you what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and open up the RSM-800s, the new all-weather outdoor speakers from Klipsch. These are going to be similar in all the other sizes, which you get in the packaging as well. This is just the biggest one at 8-inch woofer. So we're going to go ahead and open up the top of the box. Inside the box, you've got the manual along with some set screws. And then you actually have two individually packaged speakers here. So not sure if this is going to come through on camera, but they are individually packaged. So we're going to go ahead and open these up as well. Now there are pro models of these speakers. These are 8 ohm. They have a version with transformers, so you can do 70 volts as well. So we now have cardboard packaging, which is a nice change instead of the old foam packaging. And then we pull out the speaker. So it is in plastic. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Apologize about the noise of the plastic here, the microphone. And it doesn't look like there's anything else in the bottom of the packaging. So on the back of the speaker, we have the compartment where the speaker terminals are. This actually has a weather grommet or rubber grommet here for weather seal. You have your 1/4-20 on the back and the C bracket here as well. You have a set screw on the top here as well. That locks down the grill so that the grill doesn't come off. You have your Klipsch logo right here. And as is always they've had, it can rotate. So you can have it either vertical or horizontal. Now we're going to have these horizontal. So we'll do it that way. On here you have your locks. You can open these up. And those come off. Now those set screws here that were in the bags, you can lock them down so you can have the angle locked down for where you want it so that it doesn't sag or anything over time. Pull this off. So same on both sides, and this just comes off. So if you want it mounted horizontally, you have it like this. If you want it vertically, you just mount it like this. And the studs that are in the side of the speaker here are going to go through the holes, and you put your set screw in and you can lock down on your cap. So we're going to go ahead and get these bad boys mounted up on under the eaves. So underneath here we've got some old Rust Sound speakers. They sound fine, but they're really small. They do the job for them, but we're going to go and upgrade them here. This comes out to the kids' play area, out to their yard here, so they own all this land here. So they're wanted to be able to have the kids love the music out here. So we're going to go ahead and get these speakers installed. What we're going to do is we're going to pull down the old Rust Sound and mount the brackets for the the new Klipsch speakers and get them going. Okay, so we're going to go and start by taking down the old Rust Sound speakers. So we're going to go ahead and unscrew on this side. And the cap will come off, like so. These are a little different than the Klipsch are. All the brands mount a little bit differently. These actually have a stud on the cap instead of the other way around. So, got that off. Gonna go ahead and, this one has spring terminals. So we're gonna pull our speaker cable out, and we're gonna go ahead and pull this cap, the bracket down. Okay, so we know where we want these speakers. We measured based on where the other speakers were. That was actually perfectly lined up on these windows. We've got them marked where they were centered both directions. We're gonna go ahead and take our bracket and measure it out and then get it lined up here so that we can go ahead and screw it in. So these have a keyhole mount, so we can go ahead and get our initial screws in here, and then we can get them on and then tighten it up. Okay, so we've removed the speaker, or the cover on the back of the speaker. The grommet here, we've gone ahead and cut a little hole, or a little hole in the grooves here so that we can feed the cable through. There is a screw here that locks it down. So we're gonna go ahead and feed this through so that we can go have this ready when we get the speaker up here, because it is not the lightest thing in the world to hold up here and try and balance. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and feed the stud through the hole here. One side in. We're going to lock this down on the side just to be able to get it ready. Okay, we've got it in place. We're going to go ahead and secure our speaker cable onto the back of the speaker here now. All right, we're gonna do the same thing on this speaker. Take the speaker down, bracket down, get the new one up. So here is a close-up of the speaker hunk. Got it all locked down here. Right here you can see where the set screw is for the grill, so the grill doesn't come out. Got the Klipsch logo. And then around the side over here, I've got the other set screw. And not sure how well it's going to come through on camera, but up there is where you've got the cover for the speaker cable coming through. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in a system like this, give us a call at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We're, of course, direct authorized dealers for Klipsch, Control4, all the other products you see in our video. We are, of course, located in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas. So again, give us a call at 972-905-0556.